And the last one we wanted to talk about today is the use of a fidget or a stress ball. So there's a bunch of different stuff out there that you can find as fidgets. They're actually pretty mainstream, popularized at the moment, I'd say. Tons of different ones. So with a stress ball, you can squeeze it and get a lot of deep pressure input in your hands, which can kind of wake up your hands before writing, as well as just kind of increase your focus, and you can fidget with it while you're sitting in a chair, doing your schoolwork or otherwise. And I've had good success with having kids put it in their pocket while they're at their desk at school. So it's a little bit more discreet. They're just kind of squeezing it in their pocket under their desk, and maybe no one is even realizing that they're using a fidget at that moment.
Yeah, that's great. I think the pocket is a great idea. You know, for this time, I don't recommend this at school, but at home during this time, just having Play-Doh at the desk and doing it just like you were saying before we, do our work, just manipulating the Play-Doh, finding a few treasures in the Play-Doh before you start the work is a great warm up for our hands. Or even having a break too. I know I have this Play-Doh sitting here at my desk, and I will just reach over and grab it sometimes and squeeze it. And it's calming for me too. I really like to do that.